Bedroq 365, a fully managed IT partnership that supports and enhances your business strategy, striking a balance between reliable foundations and innovative thinking. Bedroq 365 is specifically designed for clients within the financial services industry who have billions of dollars of assets under management. We know that you don't have time to repeatedly contact your IT team and that your work can be severely limited by ongoing IT issues. If this sounds like your organization, Bedroq 365 is a solution for you. As IT and operational directors, you may be dealing with something that looks like this: a different service provider with their own service manager, project team, and overheads for each of the core parts of your IT system. If you partner with Bedroq, then our fully managed service will remove that headache. One agreed overhead, one point of contact, one streamlined and scalable service that can flex up or down depending on your requirements. Bedroq 365 is a fully managed service which takes care of everything, from the physical setup and user-friendly reporting dashboards to proactive monitoring of your systems and 24/7 expert support. Bedroq 365 can easily scale to your specific organizational needs. We can support you through organic growth and acquisitions, as well as scaling back when required. Simply put, Bedroq 365 will allow your team to do their work by leaving the technology to us. We want to ensure that IT isn't a blocker to the day-to-day running of your organization, but instead a supportive function for your wider business strategy. Bedroq 365 will minimize employee time spent sorting IT issues, leading to reduced frustration and improving the way in which your team work. Bedroq. We'll do our job so you can do yours.